Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell crypto via bank card from Trustee Wallet. And since Trustee is a non-custodial wallet, it does not support direct bank card withdrawals, but do not worry, I'll show you the correct step-by-step method to sell crypto safely. So let's get started. So to sell your crypto to a bank card, you need to use a trusted crypto exchange or service like Luno, Binance or Moonplay. Make sure your account is there verified and ready to receive crypto. And you can go to the deposit and select the same cryptocurrency you want to sell from the trustee. Copy your wallet address carefully, and this is where your crypto will be sent. You need to tap on the wallet on the bottom left and you'll find tons of instruments. You need to select one of the instrument that you want to sell. And over here, when you reach into this interface, what you can do is tap on the send crypto from the trustee. Tap on the send and paste the exchange wallet address, enter the amount and confirm the transaction. And make sure to double check the address. Crypto transaction cannot be reversed. And that's how you can sell crypto from Trustee Wallet and get money on your bank card safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.